Alright, people. Live stream is happening now. So I'm going to wait for some people to come in. And we're going to start the live stream explaining how to become a member inside of Power Group Trades and how to stay a member inside of Power Group Trades. Alright, people, so let's, again, I'm going to wait a little bit. Hello, Sadir, how are you? We're going to wait a little bit for people to come in, and then we're going to start first with how to become a member inside of Power Group Trades, and then we'll talk. Hello, David. Thank you very much for the gift, David. I think you sent me some dollar bills. Stock market investing. Hello, people. It's funny. This thing is it does not show how many people are really in here. We have more people in here. Hello, David. All right, people. So again, for the new people, right? I'm going to be doing this. You guys may know. Hey, Meza, where are you, my friend? You know, it's weird. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people in here, yet it says 1. Now it's okay. Now it's a little bit. Now it says 4. Okay, it's a little bit behind, but that's okay. All right, people. So Fast and Furious, where have you been, my friend? Well, sorry, what's your name, Fast and Furious? What's your name again? And is it Henry? I'm pretty sure. I think it is, right? And let's see. What's up, buddy? Yeah, sorry, what's your name? Yeah, okay, so you sent me the gift then? Henry, you sent me the gift, correct? The two, that's what I figured. I go, but I haven't seen you in for a while. But so you sent me a gift of it was $250, correct? Yes, thank you very much. So you haven't been around, and yet, and you know, I mean, you know, and then he sends me a gift. So wow. And what was the reasoning for that? Yeah, I always catch at the tail end of the show. No, but thanks for the gift. All right, people. So again, this is going to be for the new people. Now, you know, so just you know, stick with it here. I got to show people how to become a member inside of Power Group Trades. Let's see how that looks on the damn YouTube. Okay, it shows it up. All right, people. So listen up. Basically, how to become a member, what you want to be doing, see, there's retweets and likes, right, and comments. So if you want to become a member, what you want to be doing are retweets and likes. Now, we make comments on the winning plans. Like you see, there's a double whammy, gains in both Amazon and Google. You want to study that video. So you should be studying the videos and then doing retweets and likes. Or simply doing retweets and likes. See, retweets and likes. My channel is very active. It crushes a lot of people out there because they don't use social media correctly. I'm the one doing it the right way. I'm PowerTarget Trade #1, of course, people. And so the people that are serious for success take the time to do retweets and likes. So that's step 1. Do retweets and likes to fast track yourself. Do at least 10 of them, at least minimum. Second step, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and follow it. Now, once you've done that, you've done some retweets and likes, make sure you have a profile pic. And that could be of stock charts, success, or a picture of yourself. Something within that lines. Then what you want to do is you want to go to Power Group Trades. Power, you type in Power Group, right? Trades, and then you'll see that. You click on that, and then you're going to send me a message. You probably have to hit follow. What that does is then also send me a message telling me why you want to become a member inside of Power Group Trades. It's that simple. Now, people, to stay a member now, we're going to go very quickly over this. Okay, remember, no locked accounts. All right, it's enough said. You got to use your chorizo, meaning use your brains. A locked account, who can see what you do in a locked account? You dodo bird clown. You know what I'm saying, people? Those people with the locked accounts, you clownish. No locked accounts, capiche? Use your brains, man. Clown. All right now. Don't be a clown like the stock bookie. You know what I'm saying? That's a clown. Don't want to be a clown like a stock bookie. Wrong, the spice is $2.25 like a clown. can't see the big picture, baffled by the market because he doesn't want to listen to PowerTarget Trade, the best in the business. It's PowerTarget Trade, smashing and bashing. And then guess what, people? The new level health that I'm going to be coming out. I'm going to take everything to a new level. A new level. No one in the history will do what I'll be doing in the investment and in the health combination. Nobody can do it like PowerTarget Trade. And I mean nobody. It's going to be eye-opening. I'm coming to dominate. Capiche, people? Domination. All right now. I am very, 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 I know it already. People are too docky. Doodle bird. I'm going to wake up the majority. Some people you can't wake them up. I'm going to wake up. I'm going to shake the foundation. A lot of clowns out there. A lot of lazy people. Capiche, people? Now listen, you want to remain active on a daily basis, you should be doing retweets and likes. Now listen, people, especially on the winning plans, you should be making a comment, retweets and likes, and also liking the YouTube video on YouTube. That's why you want to have an account on YouTube so you can participate. It takes literally 10 seconds to like a YouTube video, but it helps, right? We want to grow everything on all fronts. Twitter, YouTube, PowerTarget Trade. And also, you want to subscribe to my website on my mailing email list, okay? You got to use your brain, look, think. All right? So there you go. I've explained it. Rewind the video if you're missing the live stream. Rewind it and listen again to my words. I've explained it very well, people. I've explained it very, very well. All right now. So, now we get back to business, people. The market. Hello, Sharad. Let's see. It shows 10 on my ending ticket higher. Okay. I sent the cash because I. 1 second here. Why can I not see it? I sent the cash because I haven't sent cash in a while, and I tried to contribute from time to time. Okay, very. Hey, that's what I'm saying. You know, that's serious follow. You see, people, you got people that don't do the retweets and likes, and don't send any money, and then wonder why they get kicked out. Now, sending money, that's out of free will. You do not have to send money, right? But the people that are respectful, they send the money like Henry, because they find the value of what I'm doing, and realize that, you know. By the way, Henry, you're interested in the health side. By the way, people, this health thing, okay, this is bigger than the investment. But I'm going to talk about, because, like I said to you, without health, okay, people, without health, your wealth you accumulate means absolutely nothing. PowerTarget Trade is about both, okay, and now. That's okay. You know what? You're a good guy, Henry. I know that. I was shocked when I haven't seen you around. But then I was even more shocked to see you send me some dollar bills. I said, wow, this is a serious follower. This is a person who understands what I'm doing. This is a guy who sees the light. I know. Listen, people, I said this many times. Quality versus quantity. Most people are clowns, destined for failure and mediocrity. PowerTarget Trade is about dealing with the people that wants. It's going to be, again, a small minority. But the people who listen to PowerTarget Trade, their life will be changed for the better on both metrics. Financially, and what's even more important, what's even bigger, people, the health side. And I'm going to show you, see, you got a leader that talks the, not only do I talk the talk, I walk the walk. You see, Stock Clown, you can't do these things, Stock Clown. You wait and see my health video, how I'm going to blow you out of the water. I already blow you out of the water financially. But physically, that's what's lacking out there, the health. People, I see too much unhealthy people out there, especially in the investment community. I'm pretty sure Dan Zanger don't got the health he needs. Mediocre health. Guaranteed. Same thing with a lot of rich people, you know. I see Bill Gates, I see him not healthy enough. Billionaire, but health, so-so. Big mistake, you know. That's what happened with Steve Jobs. Lots of money, but so what? Poor health could barely walk on his final day. That's failure. Health Wealth is, you know what wealth is, people? It's not just about the dollar bills. It's about the health and being comfortable. That's and how you help people. That to people is more impactful. That is more wealth, okay, than what everybody else. And that's what PowerTarget Trade preaches. All right, now that's fine. So listen up, people. As you can see, I have the SPY, and this is the monthly chart. Now remember, people, back in around April, when we were seeing this, people were bearish, and PowerTarget Trade said market favors higher. I said we're going to chop, and that's what we did, but there's going to be opportunity in the right stocks, and that's what's been happening. It's been tough, but if you look at this as a big friggin', it's a big wedge, people. Market setting up for, listen carefully, people, higher. Listen carefully, stock clown, higher prices. You will be baffled how wrong you will be again. And I will be posting what you said about the SPY 225. Don't worry. I'm gonna be smashing all the naysayers again. Once again, I've been smashing them again. We've been killing it in stocks like Amazon. Let's talk about Amazon, people. Look. Hey, I've told you, this company, you gotta pay attention. Amazon. Look at Amazon. You see, stock clown, how clown you are? Look. Boom. Keeps going. Why, stock clown? This is a new era. You are old school thinker. You're finished. You're through. I am the new era. I know all metrics. I am the new breed. All old school people will be decimated and cremated. Stick to working for companies. You are a loser. I am the leader in all metrics. Health and wealth. PowerTarget Trade. PowerTarget Trade. All right, now. I've been right massively since February 11, 2016, smashing the world record holder to pieces. Before I said it would reverse the market, he said he was calling for a collapse. Smashed him in pieces. End of story. Smashed in pieces. Smashed. Because he doesn't even do what he doesn't go into his own plans. That's how low self-esteem he has. All he tries to do is make money on selling his prior successes that are old world thinking, all based on bubble action. Like the stock clown said, this market is not bubble action. It's a totally different action now, with massive, whatever success Dan Zanger made, it's based on bubble action. I am, however, leading people on real sustainable action. That's why the market keeps going higher, and there has been no crashes like before. And the movement has been unlike anything before, and you needed high skill, which Dan Zanger clearly lacks, completely lacks. When it comes to the real movements, completely lacks. All baloney strategies. He doesn't follow his own rules. He's a baloney, a phony. All right, now. Google L, not PowerTarget Trade. I prove it in my videos over and over and over again. Look at Google L. Monthly charts. Strong as hell. Higher prices. Higher prices. Now, earnings are coming up. We don't know exactly what they'll do with it, but we have made massive gains in Google L, and most likely should run up into earnings. All right, now. Put daily chart. So how many winning plans have I been making in Google L? Many. How many winning plans has StockCom been able to make? Zero. In fact, grandma, wrong, the big picture, since the SPY 225, in a massive way, you stock clown, you're done, you're through. All right, now, people. Isn't that funny, right? Anyways, people, great gains, great gains. I'm making the winning videos. Where is the live streams from the stock clown? None. Where are the winning videos from the stock clown? None. Stock clown is baffled. Who's been correct about the market since April, since 2016? Me. Winning plan after winning plan after winning plan after winning plan. I am the top leader in the story. Anybody out there, I've already decimated and cremated. I don't care who it is. Decimation and cremation. They can't do what I do on a small level and where people can actually catch it. Okay, they are little pop trader in terms of big picture thinking. They have none. Same thing, Carl Icahn, baby trader. Why? Because he was wrong, Apple, big time. He did not. He told people it was a no-brainer and was massively wrong. He bailed, and he's massively wrong. Look where Apple is. He bailed Apple around one. Of course, we had what's his name? We had Warren Buffett step in. You understand, people? It doesn't matter. It's not about the money. It's about the skill. See, skill is what brings massive wealth. Look at Jeff Bezos. Look at Amazon. CEO guy's worth the richest man in the world now. See, it was a nothing, and he built it into something massive. See, Stock Clown, Amazon is making money out of their yin-yang. This is why, where there was a bubble, Amazon was still a $63 stock, and to this day, it's went from 63 back then to where it is now, mammoth company. That's what's different about the economy. It's a different world. Listen, people, I'm going to tell you something about all the people out there. It's not, if you think you can outsmart the market, you're seriously a dodo bird. You're seriously a donkey. You're seriously a clown. See, my system is not based upon outsmarting the market. Listen carefully, people. It's based upon listening to the market, not fighting the market like the Stock Clown. If you fight the market, you're going to lose. You're going to get killed. Now, even I cannot get everything right all the time, but I am more right than wrong in a massive way. It's demonstrated over and over again. While people were shorting Google L, we went long Google L. They're baffled. Why? Why we lose money? Because you followed the guy who told you to short Google L when the money was to go long Google L. Why would you short something that could easily pop? That guy has no skill. I'm not going to mention his name, but he's a baby trader. And he clearly was wrong, Google L. And I made the more money, and I demonstrated it right in my Google L, 100% gains. Those people who lost money were baffled because you're thinking wrong. You didn't listen to the market. Why would you short a stock like that? And people who shorted Netflix, people, let's talk about Netflix. People who shorted Netflix, they got massacred and cremated. You see, people, they're old world thinkers. Oh, it's going to go down now. No. You're thinking wrong. You're going to lose. Don't listen. You follow PowerTarget Trade, the top stock investor out there. Nobody has given the advice like me. I am the best. Simply put, I know it. Billionaire mindset. Billionaires follow me. They're going to get richer. You know, but I'm helping the people on the smaller level. You know, like I said, it's not about money in life, okay? I know I'm going after the billionaires. I'm going to decimate a lot of industries. Don't worry about it. PowerTarget Trade, I'm coming hit hard. I have the tools, the power, the knowledge to wipe out billionaires. Wipe them out. All right now. Look at Apple was a nothing, okay? Listen, think about it. Apple was a, but the right idea comes out, it bankrupted billionaires. You understand? Okay, a bankruptcy. You understand me, people? Don't think that it's all about ideas and superiority strategy. In PowerTarget Trade, I've got the ideas. Okay, I've got the truth, and God knows who's right and will always help that person get the message across and grow to where they need to grow. You don't have to have billions of dollars to create massive change and massive growth and massive helpful to people. If I go and I change 200 people's lives where they live better, cancer-free, that's worth more than these billionaires that are killing people with their shit drugs. You understand? And that's what I'm about. When you do the right thing, all the right things happen. People send me money because they love what I do, right? And I get more pleasure out of that than anything else, right? Because I've been doing, I don't have to say anything, and people send me dollar bills. I don't have to say nothing. But anyways, people, look out for this health video. I gotta still I'm busy. I gotta set things up because I want to be able to present it very well, you know. And this takes all time to do. PowerTarget Trade is working on it. Don't worry about it, people. When I release, it'll be again. PowerTarget Trade wants to be about health and wealth. It's always been that way, but I didn't have the perfect health strategy until now. A wake-up call has come, And this is why this is because I have such a deep experience that I think it can help people in a way that I couldn't help before. And this has come to me now. This is how it goes, people. It's better late than never, right? Any questions, people? I send the cash because I haven't sent cash in a while, and I try to contribute. That's great, my friend. Thank you very much. You know, when you do good, good comes your way. I'm sure a lot of good is coming your way. God sees that, Henry. You're contributing to a worthwhile cause, right? Our trick or trade. See, Stock Clown? You never get that. No one would ever respect you like I get respected. I have so many followers sending me gifts that you'll never see the money. You have a cheap, crappy website. You have nothing. I have everything is nice. See, I have everything. I invest money in me, in my presentation of myself. I make my video. I have people making videos for me. You know, the intro videos. That all costs dollar bills. I don't care. I want to present my work. You know, I have such great success. And I'm going to be doing a lot of great things, people. And this health thing is a bigger than the investment stuff. It's more important to me than investment stuff. But we're going to be doing both. Power Trick or Trade, I'm going to promote that on the same channel. People might be baffled from the health field. What is this stock options and stuff like that? They might want to baffle, but it'll help grow my channel because the health community, it's easier to, it attracts more people. Once I put out my video, it should attract a lot of new people to the YouTube channel. That the investment channel is really only getting it from the Twitter. The investment, it's a little more difficult to grow, but the health, which I'm good at, which I can decimate a lot of people out there, that's going to grow my channel tenfold. I believe the health. I believe it will. When I start doing that, people. And so I will have two different communities and say, because I believe that what I can do, nobody can do. No health person can do the financial like me, and vice versa. Most financial people cannot do the health like Power Trick or Trade. Power Trick or Trade, the leader in what counts in this world. Health and wealth. Health and wealth. Balance. You understand, people? Balance. Who cares if you got $1 billion, you got no house? See Steve Jobs? Money, flying. The boat's sailing in the sea. He don't enjoy it. He never even he built a boat that cost, I don't know, $1 billion. Never got to even go on it. Huh? Poor, you know what I mean? That's a poor man. See what I mean? See that 10 years, because he didn't know about health. You know, he had this, and believe it or not, was all preventable. His health demise was self-sabotage. Not knowing enough about health. That's why, people, there's a need for Power Trick or Trade health, and it's coming, people. It's coming. Any questions out there about the health? About about the stocks? I gotta get into the health stocks. So as you know, people, we've been making killer gains in Google, Amazon, Netflix. You know, that's all it's been. Gains after gains after gains, Stock Clown. Capiche? Alright, people. Hello, Sandro. Do you believe Google tomorrow will go back up and hit a new high? The reason I ask is because the options are 50% since we entered. Simply, it didn't lose 50%, but yes, I do believe it can go higher. It could lose if it doesn't go higher enough. Yes, the options could lose 50%, but we don't lose 50%. Again, I've made multiple hundreds of percent, right? So it's different for me and to lose. But yeah, the odds that there's a good high, like theoretically, Google should be going high. Wanted to go higher, but the market was. So no, the answer is no. The options did not lose 50%. They lost about 30%. And yes, I do believe that they will go higher. But if they do not, well, we take a loss and c'est la vie, right? Let's see. I believe the options will do well. Even though it has 2 days, it doesn't matter. If you know Google can move 100% in a day. If you look at my double whammy winning plan with Amazon and Google, you'll see that options that went from 1,000 Ali, yeah, that went from 1,100, well, almost, well, we'll say $1,150, exactly what it was, to over 2,000 to 2,300 in about 4 hours. That's a greater than 100% gain, something that the stock clown could never accomplish. But it was out of a signal. What we do is we take signals. Sometimes signals can fail. Okay, that's how investment works. But if you don't take the signals, you're not going to catch the gains. You won't have the mindset for success. Okay, so not everything will work. It's an impossibility. All I can do is take what the market tells me, and I take it. And sometimes you do all the right things, Ali, and we lose. That's okay. No one, if anybody tells you that they don't lose, they're lying. See, stock, they don't make real money. They make baby money. See, stock clown, he can't make 100% gains or 500% gains. Do you know, Ali, think about this. I have a video documentation that one of my plans, the $500 option, went to 4,400. So per option. So all it takes is one of my great wins, and even if you lose one or two here or there, my win rate just is higher than my losing rate, and we always are on top. But you gotta stick to the grind. That's why I tell people to study every day. Follow me every day. If you get inside of Power Group Trades, I've got the video, I've got everything to help you mentally succeed. A lot of people, you're mentally programmed to fail. Listen to Power Trick or Trade. I know what it takes to succeed mentally. I'm mentally strong. Mentally, you must, and that's why because I know both segments of the health and the wealth. Why do people fail? They fail through their own self, own mental self. In other words, the way you think is failure thinking. So Power Trick or Trade will help you succeed on a mental level with dedicated plans, and you will succeed. Why do you think people send me money? Yeah, stock clown, right? Why do you think people send me money? Yeah, I have a track record, and the track record is so visibly visible on my YouTube channel. It's undeniable how many videos I make that show the plans from start to end, where I have everybody, seeing it, witnessing it. I have a group, and I said to you, most people are geared for failure. Because if you cannot get yourself into Power Group Trades, I already do what's called clown waste of time filtering. I don't care. It's not about, you can have 15, 20,000 followers, and about maybe less than 5% of them will actually do anything without being inside of a group. That's what my stats show. It's horrendous out there. So that's why I'm going to do a new metric, the health and wealth metric, to help wake up people from their slumber. Again, I'm targeting the intelligent, the people who want to succeed, and it's really a small group of people, right? And that's okay. It can change. It's about, I'm going to continually educate and do it my way in a different, unique. No one's doing it like me. And no one can do it like me because they don't have the skill, right? The penny stock traders can't do this stuff. Their systems are baby thinkers, right? I have big picture thinking skills. It's so easy to see in my videos that nobody thinks like this. Okay, they don't have the ability. I do. It's something I created, and I teach it, and they're baffled by it, and they're like, wow, this is great, right? And it's a state of mind, and it's a system I developed. It's simply, people, I basically study what the market is saying, and that is the big edge. I have an edge. I know I have an edge, but now I have a triple edge with the health too. Oh, believe me, people, I know it's the way to go with the health. See, if I can show people how I can help them on 2 levels, they will be even more grateful, the serious people. And it would be a win-win situation for both me and those people succeeding with wealth and health. A lot of people, sometimes they message me saying to me they can't follow or they can't keep up because they have a health issue in the family. So I realize that, man, there's a lot of health issues that are probably preventable by Power Trick or Trade information. And so Power Trick or Trade, I'm going to do something about it, because Well, I have the power to do that. The medical community doesn't have the power. All the drugs in the world, in fact, the drugs are killing people. Believe me, people, if you're using drugs to lower your blood pressure, drugs to for diabetes, you're killing yourself. You hear me? You're killing yourself. You'll see why. You're killing yourself. In fact, you gain more weight using. I have a method or a strategies that, and you want to know something, people? A lot of people, you're setting yourself up for cancer and you don't even know it. That's how eye-opening my video research is. You understand me, people? This is big. This health thing is bigger than the investment stuff. But I'm a master at both. That's why I'm coming to awaken the world and smash and do a new movement to take a big smash at the healthcare, at the horrible healthcare system that needs to be smashed down to pieces. Those billionaire drug companies need to take a big fat hit. PowerTarget Trade's going to do it. Oh yes, people. It all starts by helping, and it'll grow. There's other people going to be on my movement. I'll just have my take on it, you know. Anyways, it's big, people. Thank you, Sharad. Thank you. Sandro, where? Okay. So Apple, P-Player, good question, because you know I talk about. So Apple, I said to these people, so Apple is good, but Apple I said would be slow. So Apple's been chopping, but it's still good. As long as we have the August, I believe that the August calls will do well, and people know about that plan. So I ain't making much money in Apple. We're losing a little bit in it, but I said that it was more of a long-term investment. You have to hold in. The gains will come. I believe we're going to make some gains. I'm looking for Apple to at least go to 195 within the next few weeks. It could happen fast sooner, but within the next few weeks or so. And that way we will double our money in Apple. See, I said that Apple is more, and I was right. I said it will be slow, but it does have potential. And it's doing. Everything is fine. It's just that it's chopping. But it's still, if you look at it, it's still up. Like if we look at it from here, right? We're up, right? You understand? Stock Clown? We're up. And by the way, Stock Clown said that the Apple was too high at 140. Well, what is he going to say? And that's back in 2017 in March. See, these old world thinkers, they have no skill. They're finished in this new era. Believe me, they're finished. They're going to be he's going to be working at McDonald's. Trust me. Stock Clown, you're finished. I'm going to be growing in leaps and bounds with 2 metrics, health and wealth. All right, people. Hello, Dexter. Hello, Mez. Hello, everybody. A lot of great people in here. Everybody in here that's showing up over here, going to be successful people. Right? Like I said, it's still a small majority of the people out there, but most people are just destined for failure. They don't want to put in the time or the work, but that's too bad for them. I want to help the people who do want to be helped, and they will. And you know what? It's about the quality, not the quantity. The masses are destined for failure, destined to work at dead-end jobs, destined to suffer, destined to work, be nothing. We're talking about the exceptional people that want change. In PowerTarget Trade, I will deliver to those people. That's a guaranteed. The health thing is bigger than the financial part, but I've kind of got a good metric on both. Leadership on that, right? That's my passion all the time. It's been that way. But now I'm able to share my experience of why what I'm going to talk about is so big and so important from my over 20 years experience in the health field and all the different dietary strategies out there. Why do you think there's hundreds of books out there? Because they don't work. So anyways, I'll get into it a little later on. Wondering is EU's decision will impact on Google L. I have no idea, Sharad. I wish I would know that. Right now, what we do know about Google L is it's very strong. And I'm only going to be trading it up to ER, up to earnings, as long as, and then we'll be taking our profits and moving on. and then let the decision come out, and then look for opportunities in Google L or any other opportunities. Yeah, it looks strong and it should do well. I'm only focusing on how it does between now and Friday, and believe me, from now until Friday, Google L can pop 20-30 points if it wants to. It could. Doesn't mean it will. It should. It's a high probability, but nothing's 100%. Stock clown. But it doesn't matter. We've made many winning plans. I'm prepared to lose. I've already won many times. You see, stock clown, when you have skill like me, you understand. You've got to take losses to catch the big gains. Stock clown, John, no skill, wrong since 225. You have no skill, stock clown, stock bookie. Stock bookie. What a joke. You want to learn to lose money? You just follow the stock bookie. The best in the business to lose money. The best. The worst advice. The worst advice in the business. The leader in stupidity. Stock bookie. The stock clown. He's so massively wrong. I have a video on him. When the SPY goes higher, it's going to make him look like the ultimate loser. Wait till I put a new spin on it. Ooh, he's going to be, I promised him, you're going to get a decimation like you don't worry about a stock clown. It's already, I've decimated you 20 times over. In theory, guys, if this guy was to challenge me, he owes me $30 million in wrong fees. If he would have challenged me plan-wise, by now he's been wrong the big picture. Trust me on this. No word of a lie. $30 million wrong. That's how bad it is. It's so wrong. The stock bookie, stock clown. Look at his website. It's a junk, a garbage. Even what he says, it's all garbage. His video's garbage. They're useless. It's gonna do this, and he doesn't even take his own advice. He doesn't go long. He won't go long. He says if the SPY does, his videos have no merit. They're useless. Only stock clowns like stock clown information. It's everything that follows him it's all stock clowns like him. Stock losers that don't get anywhere in life. He's a stock clown. All right, now enough of him. Twitter, same thing, market winner. Twitter is, like I said, it's not going to just go up like, it's kind of basing, just like Apple. And she's strong, and she's going to go higher long term. Hopefully, we do get a move fast enough with those August calls. That's why I use the August 17 calls. I have this also as a longer term investment. I do believe that Google, the Twitter long term, is heading to 50 to 55. Okay, but honestly, high odds that those options should make some dollar bills. The big money really has been in the faster movers like the Netflix, the Google L. That's all we've been trading through my strategies, the best stock setups, right? I said it about Apple. I said Apple would be slow. I said it in the video. And was I correct? Of course I was correct. What's new? But I said it doesn't matter, because when Apple will pop, we're already inside it to catch the gains. I knew it was going to be very difficult to catch great gains. I mean, Apple's been giving us gains, taking away its gains. Meanwhile, we've been killing it in Google L, Amazon, multiple times. I mean, look at my channel, littered with winning gains in all the fast-moving stocks like Netflix, Google L, and Amazon. Because PowerTarget trade, who's the stock clown? Stock clown's a guy named Stock Bookie. The number one worst advice in the world that I've decimated and cremated. He's a big troll. I cremated him. I decimated him. And he never wants to challenge me, because if he had challenged me, Jerry, he owes me $30 million. You heard that right. $30 million. Yeah. Netflix, by the way, has to confirm, Dexter. And I posted that. We still got to confirm. But yeah, I'm definitely watching for Netflix to confirm, to make some more dollar bills. But it's got to confirm. And if it confirms, ava zoom, ava boom, we're going to enter. Why? Because that's what the market's telling us to do. We're not going to fight the market. We're not going to say that it's overvalued and all the stupid people out there don't know, who think they know more, that don't make money like PowerTarget trade. They're just talkers. You know, they don't trade. They just talk and make opinions. They can't make plans. They can't do nothing. They are clowns, like the stock bookie. Clown. Decimated. Actually, he's the ultimate troll. I've decimated and cremated that guy. That guy, I told him, if you meet me in a ring, I'll decimate you in life. If you meet me in the markets with lawyers, I'll decimate you in the markets. That guy, all he does is messages me and hassles me. No matter what I do, no matter how much I prove him wrong, he's a clown. Like I said, people, anybody follow the clown. I couldn't care less, you know what I mean? There's a lot of people destined for failure in life. He's the number one. You're going to cry. If you follow, you're going to say, I remember PowerTarget Trade told me not to listen to that guy. Man, I wish I listened to PowerTarget Trade. That's what you would say. I'm a loser. I better go see what PowerTarget Trade is saying now. Whatever he's doing now. And you'll see PowerTarget Trade more successful. Well, stock clown, down in the gutter. Stock clown. No one else can adapt. That's right. You get that, right? Adapt. That's right. It's all about adapting, right? Am I going to fight the market? Never fight the market, people. That's what I'm trying to say to you. Now, if something was to change in the market, which it hasn't, do you think I'm going to say no? But I've been right about the direction of the market since February 11, 2016. Not Trade with Joe, not Stock Clown Bookie wrong, the big picture, and not a lot of top pros out there. They've been wrong. Okay, people? You don't fight the market. Okay? Tony Robinson doesn't know what he's talking about. He was talking bearish about the market in 2017. Stick to being a guru of baloney of what you do. Don't talk about the market when you have no inkling of what the market is. Decimated him. If he was in this business, decimated by now. Decimated with his bad advice. Decimated. New world thinking. Adaptive is the key to work. PowerTarget Trade, I have the adaptive technology. Being correct since February 11, 2016. Decimated and cremated the world record holder. He's not in my league and never will be. He's a bubble trader. Bubble trader. His advice, he lost in February 11, 2016 to me in a massive landslide way. Stock clown. Dan's anger. You made your money, luckily, in bubble easy time. Anybody could have done it with half the skills. Maybe not as much, because if you put a thing, and me, if I had the same, if I was I was a little very young at that time, but if I had the same skill, 10 times Dan's anger. 10 times. 10 times Dan's anger. Because that was easy time to make money. No world record holder can't do that same shit today. Need real skill now. Anger. Which he doesn't do. He doesn't get into, he's submitted. He doesn't get into majority of his own plans. False advertisement. He just makes his money selling subscriptions. I've been teaching people for free, showing the power for free. Better advice for anybody could make money. Can't do it with Dan's anger because you got to buy expensive stocks. I'm doing with options. I'm doing with options over and over again, and you need incredible skills for that. Look what I did with that Google L. While people were shorting Google L, losing money, PowerTarget Trade makes a plan, 100% gains. 100%. 4 hours. Stock clown. Clearly, I taped that while laughing to the bank outside in the sun with my laptop, a desktop. It's called a desktop. My laptop's so powerful. It has the power of a desktop in it. There's no laptop like it. You know, you have to get it specifically from a specific company. Nobody makes laptops like this particular company. It's got a desktop chip in it. Desktop processing power. Portable. You know? And a really good price for its power anyways. But anyways, that's another story. My computer, twice the power of a stock clown's computer. His desktop computer, my laptop, twice the power, and I can bring it where I want to go. I want to go outside in the sun. No problem. Bring it outside. Enjoy. That's why you heard me make that recording. Laughing in gains. I've been enjoying the gains. I lose in Google L. If I lose tomorrow in Google L or whatever it is, that's okay. I say if, very unlikely, but if, okay, who cares? I made so many gains I couldn't care less. Because even if you do the right things, people, you can lose. I've told you, losses is a part of the game, but that's okay. I've proved my point to people. If you take the best trades and you trade it properly, you will always end up ahead. And I know a lot of key, like for example, Dexter knows that truth. Okay, Dexter is a serious group member, serious studier, and he knows and witnessed it. He sent me dollar bills, invested heavily into what I'll be talking about, and knows the truth of what I'm saying. Right, Dexter, my friend? Same with Mez. They know my truth. They know the truth. Again, I'll begin having powerful, shocking stories out there. Again, what I accomplished has never been done in the history of the marketplace. Never. Real skill. And I know God is going to always back me up and enlighten me and give me the power to decimate the wrong, evil people out there. Because PowerTarget Trade, I'm exposing the wrong, evil people out there. Evil that don't deserve to even be in this industry. It's the PowerTarget Trade era. It's the PowerTarget Trade era, and I'm having even group people. I'm having people working with me to help PowerTarget Trade expand and empower people more. And PowerTarget Trade is going to be the complete picture of life, health, and wealth. That's never been done before in the history of the market. Nobody will have done. I will have such a unique perspective, and I mean nobody. There are going to be people that are going to talk about health like me. There will be, but they won't be able to do the investment side like me, and vice versa. The investment side, there'll be some people that might be able to do what I'm doing, some, but they have no skills in the health segment, and the only way they could have it is if they follow the leader, PowerTarget Trade. But PowerTarget Trade will be the first to set the chain reaction. And if they had only people that will say, they play homage and say, thanks PowerTarget Trade for showing us the way. And PowerTarget Trade will have the, only trader in the world to have an impact on the health community first and set the stage of massive change, decimating some billionaires out there, because now people aren't buying their drugs like before. Of course, that's all going to take time to change, right? But anyways, people, life-changing, no joke. This has never been. See, you know what I mean? See what I'm saying? Yeah, that's right, Jerry. So Jerry, you're a new guy, right? Jerry, you subscribe to the channel, Jerry Galvin. Yeah. What a great live stream. So I talked about Apple. I talked about Twitter, SPY. Oh, by the way, people. So, again, now I'm thinking about trading the SPX over the SPY options because they trade better. But only when the problem is with me is that I focus on a lot. It's hard to get into everything because sometimes there's the SPY SPX is kind of like trading in Amazon. They move very well. But I like to get into the money, right? I don't like buying baby options, right? That's for baby traders like a stock trader Joe or whatever he is. That's a baby trader, That guy can't do stocks like me. That guy's a baby trader. This is little scalper, little baby trader. Goes against me, wipe him out. Can't make plans like me. Can't do pick pictures. Little baby trader. Little baby trader. little clown. Decimate him. I told him, you don't know nothing when it comes to the big picture. Stick to being a little scalper. Quiet your mouth. Don't talk like you know. You're a little scalper trader. I'm a big picture expert. You're a little scalper trader. Like StockHound. Don't give advice. You're a little scalp trader. Don't give people advice. You're a little scalper. I'm the big picture expert. I'm decimating billionaires out there with my advice. Billionaires decimated by me already. Top-notch so-called professionals decimated. Clown them. They run for their lives. When I embarrass them, they run for their lives. Not like the stock clown, but they run for their lives. They know it. They're wrong. They run for their life. I embarrass them. Okay? They run for their life. They know it. I'm here. You'll lose. Guarantee it. Guarantee you. Guarantee you'll lose. We'll fucking. I would document it. I would wish they challenged me. I wish they would. I will kill them. I'm so confident. I'll crush them. Crush them. Plan for plan. My game. My game. Most helpful game. They have to play in my sandbox. See, my sandbox is the high skill sandbox, and I'm not gonna play little baby sandbox. It's gotta be big picture sandbox, not a little baby sandbox. I don't care who it is. Tim Sykes, crush him. Baby skills compared to me. I'm a billionaire thinker. He's a baby skill thinker. Can't do what I do. Little penny trick stock. Little penny trick stalker. Come on, come. I told him, come in my world. Come in my world. Come try to do it. Come on. I will wreck. I'll have the shocker. Former so-called multi-millionaire broke. I'm that confident. I crush him that way. In my world. And what I'm doing, crush. Can't do it. He'd be baffled. Billionaire. You see, he couldn't make money if it wasn't for the billionaires, the people who play the large cap stocks. See, the market. Without the large cap stocks, the small cap stocks wouldn't have anything going on. It's all about the big picture of the market that helps all the stocks move. When the big cap stocks fall or the major indexes don't do well, everything's affected by it. Everything. So big picture is where the real rich people get. See, no billionaire became a billionaire investing in penny stocks. Keep that in mind, Sykes or penny truck staters out there. No billionaire became a billionaire trading shit penny stocks. That's no skill trading. That's baby scalp trading. They never became billionaires. Just like Warren Buffett did not invest like a penny stock little baby scalper thinker. Okay? Understand that point, people? All right. So I rather make money based on skill, not garbage penny stock fake boosting plan thing. Like they get in and listen. They're such weak traders. It's not funny. I'll prove it. Like I will decimate their business if they were to try to say take their thing to try to do what I'm doing. They couldn't do it because they'd be afraid. They just couldn't do it. You understand? All right, that's enough of me. Yeah, exactly. Pump and dump traders, right? There's no real money in that. You know, Amazon is not a pump and dump stock, people. Look at Amazon. Look, people, think about this, right? Look, Amazon. Amazon. Let's take a look at Amazon. I want to put the month. I want to educate people. Think about this now. Okay. What makes the market move? A stock that was in 2002 $11, okay, and has grown massively. Okay. You see, stock clown. Back in 2000, bubble time, Amazon was not a bubble. See, and this was never pump and dump stock because notice that the stock didn't move much. It was it's had but it was a real stock, and a real stock. Most of the companies that these guys get into, they don't get into real stocks like an Amazon or a Tesla or an Apple or a Costco. You follow people. They get into garbage pump and dump stocks. That's not skill. You can't be a skillful trader playing or investing in garbage stocks that really don't move the market. Okay, what moves the market or gives anything any value or sustainability is the big picture thinkers like Amazon. Okay, even though there was a bubble, so-called bubble, Amazon was no bubble. It's a real deal. You follow? Tim Sykes could not make money in a real stock like this with his skill. Can't do it. That's why doesn't invest in it, right? If you have millions of dollars, start investing in real companies. Don't stay in your little bubble world. Obviously, you can't make money in real companies, so you stick to your bubble world, little penny stock world. And anyways, I don't want to get into that, but you follow people. There's a lot of scammers out there. They're baby thinkers. That's what I'm trying to tell you. If they're all penny truck staters are baby thinkers. They have no skill. Okay, come to the big picture, big dog world over here, and you'll see how they can't do anything, how they will crumble. And when it comes to real skill, crumble, because they can only catch the first for type 5 or 10 minutes. They couldn't catch what I did. They couldn't double. You understand? We doubled money. Listen, what I've done over and over again, I demonstrated in big cap stocks, okay, with options, which gave anybody a chance with a small account to do some doubling their account size in real companies that really make money, that really make serious change in the world. That's more skill than I don't want to make money. I don't want to make money in a low skill way. That's not the way to go. That's why these guys have to sell bullshit out there. You know what I mean? Like, come on. Listen, people, majority of the people don't have the mindset. Here's the reality. Do not have the mindset to succeed on their own. Just reality. They do not have it on their own. But with the right guidance and experience and in a group, you have a better chance. Same thing. Most people who's in Dan's, they still need, even though he teaches, they still need their plans. They don't make their own plan. They still need their ideas to get in. Boeing. Yeah, no, Boeing. BA. Oh. Yeah, Boeing looks like I've been looking at so many plans, that Boeing is looking good again. See Stock Clown, another thing about Boeing again shows the proof of the big picture. I mean, if we look at the big picture, what is Boeing doing? See Stock Clown? Not all stocks go down like you say, like you think. See, you don't even know. You have no skill. Everything you catch or you claim that you don't catch because you're wrong. You don't have skill. You can't catch the real stocks. These are real stocks. The ones that you get right sometimes, those are garbage stocks, and you don't even know why you don't even know why you're right. I can tell with my system why you were right. You don't know, but I do. See, I see where you're right and where you're wrong. That's an edge I have over you, Stock Clown. You can't compete against me. I will bankrupt you. Challenge me, you chicken. Challenge me so I can bankrupt you and make a fool out of you. But you're too chicken. So anyways, chicken guy. It's chicken. Go ahead, people. Go and message him. Say, challenge Power, and he'll give you excuses. Okay? He won't challenge me. Go challenge this. Challenge PowerTarget Trade. Come on. Challenge him. With lawyer. We'll have lawyers. I told him we'll have a lawyer. I guarantee you, you're finished. I know your weaknesses. I know all your weaknesses. You have skill, but it's called old world, very weak skills. Compared to me, you've got no skill. You've got skills, old world thinking, old world skills. Anyways, yeah, BA's okay, but I gotta look at it. So there's so many other great plans right now, Edwin, that it's about the best quality. It hasn't really made it on my best list, Edwin. I've been focusing, Edwin, more on Amazon, Google L, and Netflix, so we've been killing it. You just ask Dexter and Mez. These guys, they know. My serious followers know the truth, right? Serious. Everybody who follows me, Fast and Furious, knows the truth, right? He's seen all my posts. So Fast and Furious, his name is Henry, aka, sent me multiple gifts. I think he sent me 4, is it 4 gifts now? Or 4 to 5 gifts, Henry? I know it's something like that. Right, Dexter knows, massively killing it. It's all documented, proof. Yeah, see, I know, Henry, I know. I have a memory for it. Because if I was honestly, Henry, I was impressed to see a gift from you. Because I was wondering, you haven't been around for a few days, right? 4 or 5 days, right? And lo and behold, I go, Henry sent me a gift. And I go, I think this is Fast and Furious, right? Oh no, okay. And then I start seeing the retweets, and I go, wow. I was like super impressed. And that shows me, I mean, I know that's quality. You like, honestly, Henry, I mean, I was massively happy. Honestly, massively happy. And it's like I said, a good cause, you know. And I do things with some of the thing. I kind of invest some of the money into helping spread the word. And again, you know what? When you do that stuff, all you do is it keeps justifying me to continue doing what I'm doing. You know, Henry. I mean, it's like you're helping other people when you send a gift. So, really, guys, who sends a gift, you're helping other people. Because some people just don't have whatever, and then they've eventually, a lot of people, even with small accounts, they've sent me gifts, right? And I mean, I know Henry probably, I said to me, he doesn't have like a big, but obviously he's been growing his account, being able, even though it may not be a large account, I don't know his psych, you know, I'm not sure it's, you know, yet he sent me that means a lot more. That means a lot to me. You have no idea. Like, especially when I know some people who send me gifts, whatever, even if let's say $100, some of them send me $100 because they don't have a big account, but they send me $100 out of free will. And most services out there would never get that out of free will, never. And that's what makes it special to me. Really special to me. You have no idea, people. So, 3K account, 3K account, Henry, and you're sending me $250? Wow, that is impressive. That is something impressive. Yeah. You know. Anyways, you know, when you make money, Henry, please, when you're making money, don't rush to think. I don't want you to build your account. 3K, gotta be careful with 3K, right? Don't go in too big. You know, go in about, you know, one or two. Build that account up there. Oh, so what was your size account before it got to 3K? What did you start with, man? Because that's Henry, what did you start with? It's very impressive that you send me $250. Henry, what did you start with? You started with $500? You got to be kidding me. And you've turned it to 3K. That is that really, listen, people, if there's anything in this live stream that motivated me now, that's the story of Henry. Can you believe he made with taking my advice, my plans? He turned 500 to 3K. No wonder you sent me 250. But that's insane. Take it easy. Send me when you're okay. Don't rush. You know, Henry, I don't want you to send me. Keep building that cash before you send me. You know. God bless you, man, because that's the most motivating story, guys. Dexter, man, seriously, just in that fucking, honestly, $500 account turned into 3K. Man, that's motivated the hells out of me. Man, that's the best gift I received. Henry, that's the best. That's a fucking awesome, guys, people. Do you understand? This gentleman here had built with I never recommend people to do, but I can't. What you did is, and even this market conditions have been difficult. I am impressed. I'm impressed, Henry. Man, am I impressed. But please, take it easy, Henry. Take the best setups. I want you to message me a little bit here and there. My motto, wow, mamma mia, man. I can't believe it, man. Oh man, this is so motivating. Oh man, this news is just, I can't believe, I'm so happy to hear that, Henry. Oh my God, man, my God. This is a guy, 3K, from 3K account sends me a $250 gift multiple times. Mamma mia, mamma mia. Wow. See, that's the power of God. What a blessing it is to have someone like Henry in my group. What a blessing. Everything that I said about people and judgment, I'm completely 100% convinced now of my strategy with someone like Henry. What a what a pleasure it is to have someone like this in my group and hear this story. What a pleasure. I couldn't be happier. Thank you for sharing that, Henry. Thank you very much. David Wong, another guy, sent me a nice gift. I don't know his story, but doesn't that impress you, David? David, isn't that amazing what Henry did Fast and Furious under Fast and Furious? Isn't that impressive, David? Wow, guys. You hear that, stock clown? You think you could do that for people? You never have those skills. That's what sets me apart. That's why I can decimate people out there. I have this type of people behind me who have success like this. And that means I'm going to decimate out there and cremate. Man, am I pumped. I am pumped. What a story, people. You understand, people? Anybody in this live stream? Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Study my channel. Study my live streams. This live stream has been one of the best live streams with that story of Henry. I couldn't be happier. Just wow. Thank you for coming, Henry. Thank you for sending me that gift. Thank you for sending me the story. Wow, man. Too many. And to the stock clowns out there, there, stock clowns. There to the lazy people. There to the Vin dog. You know Vin dog? There, here, right there. There, Vin dog. Ha ha. You trolls. You'll never, you lazy trolls. You're gonna lose. You're gonna be a bum on the street, and you're gonna deserve it. If you fail with power trick or trade, you fail in life. Look at Henry. Henry's a perfect example. Henry studied, did the studying, listened to the power, and did the unthinkable. A 3K account sending me multiple gifts. He sent me, I know he sent me at least, I say about $800 to $1,000. My Naya, I didn't know this guy had a, my God, just fucking impressive. Because that's how much I know he sent me between that area. And he was, between 800, I'm not sure the exact number, I have to check, between 800 or six to $800 from such a small amount. Wow. God bless you, Henry, man. That's just the most impressive thing. I mean, that is the most pumped thing. For the haters out there, dang! Dang! You know what that means? You know that? Dang! You understand? To the haters, to the lazy bums, you're destined to fail. Too bad. And anybody out there, if didn't wake up from this story here, you're gonna fail in life. Mark my words. Mark my words. You don't study, you're gonna fail. And it's your fault. And you don't study my health, and you don't study my stream, you don't study my advice, you're going to suffer, and it's be your fault. So wake up and smell the coffee. Lazy bums. Anybody out there? Yeah, thank you very much, Fast and Furious. Thank you very much. God bless you, my friend. Any new people out there got a question? Need to be waken up by the big picture expert? Speak now, or I'm going to be vamoosing. I think this is a great live stream. I want to keep it for an hour, and I'm going to be doing, it's going to be a split live stream. I got some great ideas, people. Power trick or trade, massive growth is coming. Thank you, Henry. You're more proof of the massive growth. Oh, poor stock on John. Your finisher through. Oh, your finisher through. Evil always loses. You're an evil clown. You're finished clown. Your finisher through. Decimation's coming your way. Oh, stock clown. All right, people. If you're new, subscribe, study, listen to the beginning of this live stream. I explained how to become a member. But before you become a member, study. Understand what I'm about. And if you're serious, come inside. You'll tell me, write me a message, come inside. Come join the group. People are happy to send gifts. Never done in history before. for investing, it's very seldomly done. Have a good night, people. Have a good night, people. Thank you, Henry. Thank you very much. Thank you, Eric, as well. Eric, I don't know his size account, but Eric, thank you very, very much. As Eric has sent me multiple. It's like he's almost every month sending me gifts, or even sometimes twice a month. Good night, people. Thank you very much. Wonderful group. God bless my special followers, my group members. God bless Eric. God bless everybody. Dinesh, $1,000 gift for the last Google Out plan. Thank you very much, Dinesh. All my special group members, all the people who send me gifts. God bless. Like I said, when you feel good, keep sending the gifts, people. Let's show the people. Let's show people out there. Let's motivate people to the truth. PowerTarget trades. Let's grow and decimate other so-called communities out there, and have them come and join the best of the best. PowerTarget trade. Yours truly, the big picture expert. Thank you, people. Let's keep growing. Let's keep growing. Massive growth is coming, people. Listen, guys. Trust me when I say it. PowerTarget trade. This health thing, it's the biggest, most important thing. It's that important to me. You have no idea. I keep talking about it, and I'm waiting for it. I want to present it, because once I do, I know the questions are going to be coming in, and I'm preparing still. It's going to be mind-blowing and very inspiring. I even critique myself, like you'll see it. Like I actually prove it through my own, to show that how much better I am because of the knowledge I have and what was going wrong, and I have the feeling and experience to really help people on a massive level. Thank you, Savannah. Thanks a lot, people. All right, have a good night, people. Thank you very much, people. Thank you very much. Good night, people. Good night.